The sound difference is night and day. Definitely more tighter bass, more responsive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be installing Bavsound's Ghost subwoofers that sit under the seat in Matt's E60. Hopefully this brings some improved bass and tightens up the bass. So here's the kit. You get two subs, two Ghost subs, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger. Here's a look at their subwoofer. They look super nice. Let's take a look at the back. Super nice looking subwoofer, even though you won't be able to see it. So Matt is now going to uninstall these bottom little pieces. And then we can just lift the seat up. So I'm gonna undo these 4 Phillips bolts to reveal the sub. So once you get the 4 screws out, just pry a screwdriver right between where the sub ends. I stuck a stubby screwdriver into the pin and then the subwoofer lifts right out. You're now going to take the new subwoofer and install it. Make sure you have the connection firmly in there. Now we can put back the 4 T20 screws. So here is a before clip of the stock speakers in the E60. It has the Harman Kardon sound system. So here is a sound clip after we installed the Bavsound Ghost subwoofers.
So a quick review of the Bavsound Ghost subs. The bass is a lot louder, it's deeper, and definitely punchier, and it's a little bit tighter too. I actually had to turn down the settings a little bit, and you can just hear the bass a lot better. I do like my bass.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of us installing Bavsound's Ghost speakers in Matt's E60. Make sure you let those speakers break in for a minimum of 12 hours. It's very important. It definitely helps make the sub hit harder. Also, if you guys would like to buy these Ghost subs, check the link down in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you like what we're doing here. Hit that sub button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.